6 things you should do to improve yourself. So you've decided the time has come to work on yourself. Good for you. We can all use a little self-improvement. Here are 6 things you should do to improve yourself. Number 1. Fall in love with your passion. If you want to be happy, fall in love with what you are passionate about. Give yourself permission to love, whether that's something you are doing, such as working with at-risk children, or it's falling in love with your soulmate. We have only so many years in this life, and what could be better than spending some of that time doing something you are passionate about or with someone you love? Do what you love, be with who or what you love, live for your passion. You will grow immensely and you will be happy. Number 2. Make someone else happy. Why not make it your goal to make someone happy every day? It can be something as little as a smile and asking someone how their day is going or complimenting them. You might do someone a favor or you might help someone with a project. What you will discover is when you make someone else happy, you also become happier. Number 3. Step up and do your part. Every day tragedy happens and our first responders are there to handle them. But you can also do your part. What about the dog that's running down the road in harm's way, or the child that's wiped out on their bike and is on the sidewalk crying? What about the elderly person that's fallen or the friend that's had too much to drink? Step up and do your part to help someone else, whether you know them or not. Number 4. Gratitude. We can easily forget what we have to be grateful for in our day-to-day lives. Every morning and at the end of every day, give at least 2 things that you are grateful for that day. You can express your gratitude verbally, or you can create a gratitude book where you write it down. End every day on a positive, life-affirming note. Number 5. Keep it neat. Did you know that a tidy environment will also keep your mind clear? As a result, you will be more productive and you will also have more control over your life. Interestingly, this self-improvement tip is often overlooked, and yet it can have such a profound effect on you. Number 6. Surround yourself with good people. Find people to hang out with that have a positive attitude and a love for life. Find those who express gratitude for what they have. Associating with these kinds of people will have a positive effect on how you act and think. Having friends that make love and respect you is powerful. 6 self-improvement tips you want to use. There are all kinds of self-improvement tips floating around. Some are pretty common, some are out in left field, and some are not so common. Here are 6 self-improvement tips you want to use, implement, and enjoy the benefits. 1. Develop a new habit. Some ideas for developing a new habit are things like deciding to exercise, reading a new book, deciding to get up early each morning, learning how to meditate, quitting smoking, etc. The list is endless. A new habit should be something that's going to improve you. Remember, it takes time for your new habit to feel natural, so be patient. 2. Write a personal development blog. You can help others grow and self-improve by sharing your journey with them. In addition, when you are blogging about your self-improvement journey, there are expectations placed on you by your readers and you will feel the pressure to hold up your end. This will help you to be more successful. It's a win-win for you and your readers. 3. Learn how to deal with difficult people. There are going to be difficult people in your life. You won't always be able to avoid them, so you need to learn how to deal with them. It will go a long way in giving you peace of mind. They will have minimal effect on you when you learn how to deal with them. 4. Stay away from negative people. Wherever you go, there are bound to be at least a few negative people. Avoid them whenever possible, because their negative attitude will drag you down and that's not what you want. Instead, seek out those with a positive, upbeat attitude. 5. Take a lesson from your friends. Your friends have amazing qualities that you can tap into and learn from. Each of your friends and family are going to have unique qualities, and if you are wise, you can learn a lot from them. Think about your good friends right now. What is just one quality each of them has that you would like to have? How can you learn this skill? Speak to them if you need to and ask them for their help. 6. Start a journal. Creating a journal is an excellent way to become more self-aware. It's a process of self-reflection. As you write, you are clarifying your thoughts and you will gain more insights about yourself. You can create a private journal for your eyes only, or you can blog it, which we already talked about. These 6 self-help tips are worth plugging into your day-to-day lives. You'll be glad you did.